Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And my name is Tommy. So today I'm going to be styling my old braids. So my braids, they're really old, like very old. So I'm gonna show you guys how I style them. Like so it all look very nice and neat, and you wouldn't know that it is old. So let's get right into styling the hair. So what do I do first? Actually, I don't have any hair cream that I'm using right now. So I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I use leave-in. Yes, I use leave-in to style my hair. So I'm going to be going in with my leave-in conditioner. That's what I use to style my hair. So yeah, I'm not supposed to be using leave-in. I'm supposed to be using maybe an hair cream or something, but I think I'm going to have to work with what I have. So I'm doing leave-in. So I rub it on my hand. Then I like work it into my hair. It actually shines my hair. Like the leave-in actually does its work on my hair. So I'm going to continue using it. So I apply it mostly to the under of my hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply a little more for the front because that's where people tend to look at more. So I want it to be shiny. It's all good. Yeah, I think the amount is okay. So yeah, I've applied my leave-in. So I'm just going to be brushing my hair. So we're going to go into styling the hair right now. So I'm going to style my hair. So yes, so I'll just pick a portion. This is the portion I'm taking. So I'm going to just put it like this. Then I'll take some from here too, and I would move it this way too. Yeah. So I've moved it this way. This is how I'm styling it today. So it's all done. So I'm going to take out my rubber band and pack them all together. Yeah, okay. Done that part. Well, Abby, yeah. So it's all done. Like So guys, this is the final look. It's the outcome of it. So tell me what you think about the style in the comment section, and I don't know if you guys will try this style, or if you do try it, tag me. Tag me. So that'll be all for today's video. Please do also like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, guys. So bye.